is
My arm is here.
effective.
When we were running track. They were seeing if I was good at hurdles, which I wasn't. And so I was like...
I made that.
My arm actually hit the floor. It just like popped out of place.
That's
like that.
really
It hurt
kind of
really bad.
sick.
And then I fell.
Look at how fast your feet are moving.
So I broke my elbow for the third time.
That's not healthy.
8 bones now.
That's still really not healthy.
You're supposed to run, not just walk really fast. My turn.
You're supposed to run.
I was just walking really fast.
Here, I'll do the speed for you so you can
No,
actually run.
no.
Yeah, I'll do it for you.